What's up guys, I'm Sean. This is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma. Today we're going to be installing OEM bed lights. My Tacoma already has the OEM bed light up top and it shines okay down here, but I could use more lighting. Here is the OEM bed light. I just have the one on the top, but I can use some more lighting in that corner and in this corner. This is the OEM bed light kit I picked up from eBay. I'll put a link in the description. This is the kit designed for 2020 and 2021 Toyota Tacomas based on the shape and the pre-wiring. For previous year Tacomas, the shape is a little bit different, so you want to make sure that you're buying the right kit for your truck. This is the rear passenger side, so I'm just going to pop this off. Now we're going to get a 10mm and remove the tail light so we can get to the wiring harness. We're going to move the tail light, removing the 10mm here and 10mm here, and then we just yank the light out. You leave the light like this, and now you can see the wiring harness right here for the OEM bed lights. So it's plug and play for right here. Now I'm going to get one of the OEM bed lights, plug up the wiring harness to it, plugs in like this, and now I'm going to insert the bed light, and this little tab right here slides on top, and this little piece right here goes right there. I just fished the wiring out of the tiny little hole right here, and it plugs and plays to here. It just plugs up to here, plugs together, straightforward, clicks in, and now I'm gonna pop off this one right here because we don't need this anymore. This is just like a fake connector. And this thing plugs into here, and this one goes up here. So the wiring is done, plug and play. I'm going to reinstall the tail light. I'm going to do the same for the driver's side rear. Pop off this cover, remove the two 10mm bolts in the tail light. Pull the tail light towards me. The OEM bed light wiring has been fished through. Unplug the wiring, plug it into here, so it's plug and play. You can pry this off now. This is like a dead connector end. It's not a out. Now I'm gonna plug this into here, and I can plug it up here or here. It's just the So the wiring is done for this side, and I'm just going to reinstall the tail light. Super bright now. Now I can see inside my bed truck no problem. And when I install the tunnel cover, the light actually shines underneath it as well. So pretty sweet mod. $60 shipped, OEM plug and play. Not bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.